Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kenzie Lens, and in this video I am going to give you my top 5 tips to get started working out for 2021. Let's go. Is literally 2 weeks away. So everyone's New Year's resolution is to go out, go to the gym. They want to get healthy, they want to lose weight, but they don't know how. So I am going over my top 5 tips to help you get started. Now, these tips, they have worked for me. These tips have helped me to be consistent with going to the gym and working out for at least the past 3 years, So I know that they're going to be beneficial. Tip number 1 is to get started. That may seem easy, but you have to get in your mind, hey, I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to go, and actually go. A lot of people get caught up in, I'm going to the gym, and 2, 3, 4, 5 months have gone by. They look up, it's May, and they haven't started. So tip number 1 is to make the decision, go, get up, and go to the gym and decide that this is the change that you want to do, and this is the lifestyle that you would like to live. Now, along with getting started, a lot of people get caught up, should I do home-based or should I do gym-based? Now, for me personally, when quarantine hit, our gym shut down, and in my mind, I was thinking, oh my gosh, my gym has shut down. If I get off track, then I know I'm never going to get back on track. So what I decided to do was, ta-da! I turned half of my garage into a gym. What I am standing in front of is my gym equipment. I'm gonna go down some. I got my my yoga ball, my Bosu ball. I got a little dice here. I got boxing gloves. I got some resistant bands. I got some little 5-pound weights. Okay, you got some weights. I have me a weighted vest, an 8-pound weighted vest. I have me 20-pound kettlebell. Okay, I got some more weights. I got a slam ball, and my prized possession here. I'm gonna turn around so you guys. That here is my prized possession. I bought me a boxing stand. I felt like I was Layla Ali out here in these streets this summer. So these are some of my essentials that I picked up when quarantine hit. Now, you don't have to go overboard how I did with purchasing equipment. Actually, all of this equipment was pretty cheap. I bought a lot of things from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, except for my boxing. I did get that from Dick's. So if you are deciding that you want to work out at home, you can go ahead and just pick up a couple of items at home and decide to work out in your bedroom, work out downstairs. Or if you decide to go to the gym, go ahead and get you a membership if you would like. Now, here is a quick tip. I have Blue Cross Blue Shield as insurance. Now, there is something in your insurance where you can get a reduced fee. I did not know about this. A coworker actually told me about it. And what it actually is, it is a membership. It is a monthly membership where I only pay $25 per month, and I can pretty much go to any gym that is in the network. So at one particular time, I was going to 2 different gyms. I was going to my Anytime Fitness gym, and you can go to any location. And I also was going to LA Fitness. I would go to LA Fitness every Saturday for spin classing. So I was going to 2 different gyms for one price of $25. You and I both know gym memberships are expensive. So having 2 gym memberships, that can easily run you $200. So check in if you have insurance. Check to see if they are running, if they offer any type of deals or part of the insurance extra membership, so you can get a really good discount. Tip number 2. Ask a friend. A lot of people, they don't like to work out by themselves. They feel like, they'll do better if they have a buddy. And I can understand that. But for me personally, I couldn't find anyone to work out with. So I had to say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to work out and I'm going to do it. But if you have a partner, that is something that's really good to help you. So you guys, you can motivate each other. Tip number 3 is to make yourself a schedule. For me, I noticed that I stay on course with my workouts when I set a schedule. I like to work out before I even go to work, because I noticed when I will wait to work out, I will literally be dreading the workout all day. And then once I get off from work, I done worked 8 hours plus, I'm tired. The last thing that's on my mind is going to the gym. So at one point I was literally getting up at 4:30 in the morning, getting in a good hour of working out, coming home, jumping in the shower, and going to work. So when you do it early in the morning, it's done, it's out of the way, so you're not dreading going, you're not dreading going to the gym. Setting your schedule also includes, what are you going to do? I've noticed that when I do not set my workouts, I go to the gym and I waste a lot of time. So it is okay to get you a little notebook, write down what is your plan once you get to the gym, or what is your plan when you're at home. If you have no idea, how to, design a workout, which a lot of people don't. There are a lot of people who are on Instagram who have excellent workout programs. I'm actually going to go ahead and insert someone that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Kiera the Leader. I love her. I literally have about 6 or 7 of her programs, and they are absolutely amazing. She lays out every single thing, the workout, how many reps to do, your rest period. So if you have no clue on, how to start working out or how to plan your workouts, make sure you go ahead and get you a guide, and get you a guide from someone who is reputable, who knows how to work with your body type, if you have injuries, things of that nature. And also, if that's not something for you, go ahead and get you a trainer. I was in the best shape of my life when I went and got me a trainer. You guys know all of my pretty Jamaica pictures in my pretty yellow. I had me a trainer, and I specifically got a trainer because I knew I was going to Jamaica and I wanted to take those pics. So yes, go ahead and get you a trainer who is reputable, who, if you have injuries, they know how to work around those injuries, and they are able to get you in shape, in some of the best shape of your life. What goes along with planning, staying consistent. This is one of the hardest things, and this is something that I still struggle with to this day, of being consistent with my workouts. Like I said, I plan my workouts. I go to the gym. I already know in my mind what I'm going to do. If I'm doing full body that day, if it's a cardio day or a leg day, I already know what I'm going to do in my mind. So that helps me to be consistent with the gym. Also, your planning also plays into a factor of being consistent going to the gym. And you owe it to yourself. You can't just say, hey, I'm going to go to the gym, and then after a week, you're not seeing any progress, you just fall off. No, that is not how it goes. It literally took me months of working out for me to see any type of fat loss. And do not rely on this scale. The scale will have you going crazy. I'm working out like crazy and I haven't lost a thing. But one thing that I noticed, that my clothes were literally falling off of me. So that is how I went ahead and ready to say, hey, this working out is actually working. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So yes, do not get discouraged. If you're not immediately losing any weight, you're not immediately seeing any progress. Main thing is just to stay consistent with the workout. And my last and final tip is to work out in style. Yes, I have on a work it out little shirt thing that I have on, but one of the things that I love working out most is that I get to wear cute workout clothes now, and it's also an excuse for me to go shopping. I get some of my workout clothes, actually now I get all of my workout clothes from Old Navy. They have great quality workout pants. They have high-waisted pants that stay up. They do not move. They're really cheap. I only purchase them when they are on sale, and they are on sale at least once a month for about $15. Even for right up to Christmas, they had a sale of $10, and I had to literally fight from not going to Old Navy because I probably have about 30 pairs of Old Navy leggings that I wear. They are hands down some of the best workout gear. But you can also get great gear from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Burlington. Pretty much everywhere that you go to, they are selling, workout clothes. So yes, when you work out in style. And I also noticed that when I'm dressed cute, I I perform pretty well. I've never gone to the gym in like a baggy t-shirt and a you know, baggy pair of sweatpants. You know, we all want to be, you know, we gonna be sweating and looking a hot mess, so we at least want our clothes to be cute, right? So yes, go ahead and work out in style. Okay, guys, so like I said, those are my top 5 tips to go ahead and get working out for 2021. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to see a part 2, just go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I'll give you some more tips on how to get started working out. All right, see you guys later.